I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity, and when I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Also, people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So hello everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic day so far. So today I thought, well, tonight actually is Thursday night at around 9:30. Well, it's actually 9:29 to be exact. And I thought I would do another edition of Glamour in Pajamas because I was bored and I was like, I just keep on feeling like it was later than it was tonight, and I'm like, how is it only like not even 9 o'clock when I first like started thinking about this? I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna do a Glamour in Pajamas, and I decided to theme this Glamour in Pajamas around the Lyrid meteor shower, which is at its peak around now. Although my app on my phone, yes, I do have an app on my phone for meteor showers because I've told you before, you know how I feel about space. It says the peak is the 25th, but online it kind of says between like now and the 25th. Of course, in New York, it's still cloudy, so I probably won't get to see it, which really sucks. I mean, I'm still going to go out and try at night because I have a deck off my dining room, and it's fantastic. I can just go on there and like look up and everything, and I'm like kind of enclosed because I'm on my deck, so I'm not like out in the in, like my yard by myself, which would kind of scare me a little bit. Although every once in a while some raccoons will come on the deck, and that kind of freaks me out. I mean, I love raccoons, but when it's like really dark and you hear like a loud noise and there's like a raccoon climbing up, it can be a little scary. But yeah, I'm like, I love meteor showers. So I decided, you know what, let me dig out one of my many outer space themed palettes. This is the palette that I forget that I have. I actually have the whole collection of it. It's from the Beauty Crop, and it is the Stargazing palette. That is super blinding, I am so sorry. But they also have the Dawn Gazing and the Dawn Gazing and Sun Gazing palettes. But because it is, you know, the Lyrid meteor shower, I of course was going to use the Stargazing palette. And when you open it up, it looks like this. It's really, really cute. It's mainly, there's no mattes in there. It's like creamy metallics, and glitters in here. It's like nice, rich tones. Yeah, I don't believe there's a matte in here. No, there's no matte. So I'm actually just going to use this palette as like a challenge for myself to not put any mattes on. So that'll be fun. I'm excited. I constantly like forget that I have these palettes. They're okay. I mean, they're not like the best quality palettes that I have, but they're definitely not bad. They're decent. They're pretty decent. Like, they're not the most amazing that I have, but they're decent palettes. And you know, for me who's a big space lover, and it stinks because like this is like really holographic, but I mean, if you can see it, like look at how cute that is. There's Saturn, there's the Big Dipper, or is it the Little Dipper? Oh, actually, there's both on here. I think there's Lyra on here. I think that might be Lyra, actually, because it's the Lyrid meteor shower. I'm so sorry if I'm wrong. That's embarrassing. I'm trying to remember off the top of my head. I'll post a picture right here of Lyra. This is where the meteor shower kind of centers. It centers around like Lyra, and I think so. Lyra and its main star Vega. So like, I'll just post this picture here so you can see. I also have an app on my phone. It's like a night sky app, and it actually like it uses your GPS to figure out where you are, and it shows you the constellation up in the sky. But like, you can look at it as if like your phone camera is like the night sky, so it illuminates your night sky with all the constellations like full out. It's so amazing. I love it so much. I love it. So before I keep rambling on about how much I love outer space stuff, let's get into creating a very fun Lyrid stargazing themed Glamour in Pajamas eye look. So like I always did, I just prime my eyes with my P. Louise base. I use the color Rumor 0.5 because I'm so pale. I love this primer. I think it works so well. So I think to start off, I'm going to go in to the color Celestial right here, which I'll show you is like a silver, like velvety metallic. And I'm just gonna see how it picks up on my Sigma E25, and we'll see how this goes. This may be like a total disaster, but we'll have a disaster together. I feel like that's the theme of Glamour in Pajamas lately. And let me just make sure that this isn't creasing. And I am just going to, no, it's going on. Just apply it to the crease and socket area. I mean, Is that a big shock? Isn't that where like I always start out my makeup? Oh, actually, it's not going on bad at all. Because sometimes like shimmers and stuff are hard to pick up on like dry brushes and stuff, but this is actually going on pretty smooth. There is a little bit of fallout, but like nothing too drastic. And I'm just gonna repeat that on the other eye. I feel like the Beauty Crop is one of those brands that like not a lot of people talk about. They have like some cute stuff. I follow them on Instagram. But I guess, I don't know. The first time I ever heard about them was I actually got a sample of their PB&J like lip gloss stuff, or lipstick. Actually, it was a full size in my Birchbox about like maybe 2 years ago. Have I been getting Birchbox that long? Probably. I feel like I'm the only person that still gets Birchbox. I like it because it's fun. It gives you like little sample sizes, because sometimes I don't always need like the giant size things. So yeah, that went on kind of nice. So it looks like that. Then I think for my crease area, I'm going to, not crease, oh my god, brow bone area, I'm going to go into this color Luna right here. I thought it was Lyra for a second and I got really excited. I'm like, oh my god, I probably have an eyeshadow called Lyra, which I should have looked for. Luna looks like that. It's a kind of pink toned. That would have been cool to tie it in, but you know what? I wanted to use this palette, so no Lyra eyeshadow today. I remember when these came out, I guess it was over a year ago now, and I saw them on, I think it was Beauty Crop's Instagram. I was like, oh my god, I have to have those because I'm obsessed with space stuff, and it's pathetic. So I think now, I'm going to go into the color Galaxy and put that on my mobile lid. Galaxy is this dark color right here. I'll swatch it for you on the back of my hand. Ooh, that's nice. A nice dark matte. And we'll see how that goes. So I'm just going to take this AOA Studio E113 brush and I'm going to try that on with the Galaxy. I'm trying to figure out like what the best brush would be. And I'm just going to apply it to my mobile lid. Oh yeah, this was the good choice, this brush. There is definitely some fallout, which is, you know, is okay. I'll just brush it off. I mean, of course I did do all my makeup already, but it's Glamour and pajamas. Obviously I'm not going out, so, and it's also quarantine time, so I think I can handle a little bit of fallout on my face. Try and blend them together nicely. And then I just want to take the brush that I had Galaxy on and just kind of push them out a little bit so they blend together more. Let me just take a new brush right here and just brush some of the fallout out. So I'm just going to repeat that on the other eye. Alright, so this is how it's looking so far. I think, you know, it's not metallic-y enough. So I think I want to go in with a little bit of glitter on, just like I'm going to put it on, like on the center of my mobile lid. I think I might use a little bit of glitter glue just because I can't remember how these glitters perform, if they need glitter glue or not, so it's better to be safe than sorry. And I'm just gonna put it on with my finger. I always use a brush, but I forgot to grab it, so finger it is. So the color I'm going to go into is, like I said before, Supernova here. And it's a pressed glitter, and it looks like that. So now that I've waited a second for the glitter glue to get a little tacky, I'm just going to apply Supernova everywhere I put that. And then I want to take the brush that I had Galaxy on, and I want to go very lightly around the edges of where Supernova is and just smear them out a little bit so that they blend together. So it is looking like that, and I'm just going to repeat that on the other eye. So it is looking like this so far. Okay, so off camera I just finished up this eye, and then on this side I just applied some black eyeliner, and then I applied to my waterline the Maybelline Tattoo Studio gel crayon in this like purple color right here, which I don't know what it's called. Rich Amethyst. So now I'm just going to go back into the Stargazing palette, and I'm going to go into the color Orion right here, which is this really awesome purple. Oh my god, there is a Lyra in here. Oh my god, it's a glitter. That's why I didn't look at it. I'll show you. Wow, that was a fail. That was a fail. This is it. It's like a glitter right here. I failed. I might have to think of a way to put that in, because that's, I mean, it was literally right in front of my face. You probably saw it on camera when I held this up, and you're like, oh my god, there's Lyra right in there. But I'm going to take Orion, and I'm going to go below my lower lash line. Oh, I feel like such a moron. What an ultimate fail, and I failed on camera. So that's always good. Then in my inner corner, I had put Luna again. So like this. This is the final look right here. I actually really like it, and I did not fail. I was able to add Lyra. I don't know if you can see in my camera, but I put it on my lower lash line. So Lyra was included in the end, so I was so excited, and that was this one right here. So yeah, this is a fun look. To finish up on my lips, I just added this Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the color Plumeria, and this Essence Holo Wow lip gloss in the color Dragonfly Shimmer. I love this, just to give it a little shimmer on top. Yeah, it's fun. I never really just use like metallics and glitters, so this was kind of fun. Like, it's definitely a fun look. I'm happy with it for, you know, it's definitely shooting star themed. I mean, it is sparkly, so it is going to glow. Highlighter wise, I went into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit and went into the color Luna right here for my highlight. One thing I did remember when I was doing my eyes before off camera was the Beauty Crop glitters crease really bad if you do not use glitter glue. I believe they crease a little bit with glitter glue too, but I remembered, I knew there was something about the glitters. I was like trying to figure that out, and that's what it was. They crease really bad. But I mean, they're not like the worst glitters. I don't use glitters like that often, but I don't hate them. I know a lot of people like have issues with them, which I totally understand, because glitter, it can be irritating, it can be annoying, but I think it's fun. You know, definitely some glitters work better than others, but these ones aren't the worst I've ever used. Definitely not. one day I'll do a video and I'll talk about all the things that I think are terrible. I hate doing like negative videos like that, but I probably should, because there are definitely some products that like have really disappointed me, or products that have actually changed my mind on, or like kind of realized that I was trying to convince myself that this product was really good because I either liked the company or like the person who was like collabing with the company to do it, and I was like, oh, this is so great, when in reality it kind of wasn't. So maybe I'll do a video like that. If you want me to do a video like that, let me know below and I will do it. Also, if you have any of these Beauty Crop palettes, let me know how often you use them, and let me know if you like them or not. I think they're fun. You definitely could create a whole look with just using this palette. I mean, it was kind of fun. Like, I think I might do more looks now, like on here with just shimmers. I mean, sometimes metallic and shimmers can kind of crease a little bit too, but I think just for fun, for like video like this, especially in quarantine when it doesn't even matter if it's gonna crease or whatever because I'm not going out, I think it'd be a great thing to do. It's just a lot of fun to just play around with makeup. I'm having so much fun, if you couldn't tell. I hope you know that I do when I do these videos. I'm having like a really good time and I really love makeup. I hope it comes across, and I'm just like, I love makeup. It's like my happy place. So anyway, if you like this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really, really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. Thank you for stopping by and just sharing this second with me. I really appreciate it. I will send you lots of happy thoughts and positive vibes just for stopping by for a minute. Also, if you happen to catch the meteor shower, I hope you enjoy it. I hope if you can see it, I hope it's not cloudy by you like it is like me. By me, I mean, I love meteor showers. I think they're so much fun. If you love them, let me know below. I think the most I've ever seen in one meteor shower was like 15, and that wasn't like 2 or 3 years ago. I actually bought, I won't even lie, a lounge chair that like lays out. So I put it on my deck and I lay down so I don't have to like mess my neck up by looking up. I'm so bad. Like I'm pathetic. Like, I love it. My big thing this summer, if I don't know if it's gonna happen, but I wanted to go to the planetarium at the Museum of Natural History because I'm only about an hour out of New York City. So New York City is an easy day trip for me, and I really wanted to do that, but I can save that for whenever stuff reopens, because I'd rather not have stuff open up right away and keep people healthier than open everything up and have another surge come back. So it is what it is. So as always, I will list everything that I'm wearing on my face, as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles, in case you want to follow me there. I post pictures of my pets and looks that I do not film. I think we're all biased when it comes to our fur babies, but oh well, I think mine are adorable and I love them, and I know I did that outro not the same. So from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, be you, do you, love you, bye!